Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today I am trying to fix my hair. So today I am bleaching my hair again because the last time I did it just was a bit of a disaster. I didn't film it. So today is basically me trying to fix my patchy bleached hair. I am going to give you a little look at what it looks like now properly, because I've just been wearing my hair like this for a couple of weeks, because it's the only way you can't see how terrible it is. So yeah, I'm going with this slick bun look for a while, and I'm hoping that today will fix it so I don't have to wear it like this anymore, because I feel like an egghead. At the minute everyone and their cat is bleaching their hair, but I don't care, I'm joining the bandwagon. I don't know, I was already blonde, so I've not had to go for that transition from dark to blonde, which I don't know how people do it. Like, I was already blonde and I couldn't do it properly to go blonde. So these people that are going from dark brown to blonde, like without patches, what sorcery are they using? Anyway, I'm just going to get started. I've got all the equipment that I need, I think. I'm going to show you what I've got, what I'm going to be using today. I am using the Swashcraft Blonde Bond Enforcing Dust Free Powder. So apparently this has got a bond enforcer in it, which is like Olaplex, so I don't need to add Olaplex to it. And then that's the toner. Alright, so then I've got two different peroxides. I've got this one which matches this, and this is the 20 volt, and then that's a 10 volt, so that is for the toner. So we'll come back to you guys. I got a 20 volt because, as I said, I bleached it recently, so I didn't want to use 30 volt. I'm hoping that this will lighten it enough, just using the 20 volt. And then I've also got some foil bits. I don't know if I'm going to use them yet, if I'm honest. And then I've got a bowl and a thing. So I feel like I've got proper equipment. I've even got a little thing to put around my neck. Let me show you what we're dealing with. At the minute, I've still got a bit of purple shampoo in it. So this purple bit here is just from the purple shampoo, so that, I'll just ignore it. I'm going to tell you to ignore it, and also ignore the cut, the little ladder cut. I watched a Brad Mondo tutorial on how to cut your hair. It was a great tutorial, but I can't cut hair. I've been watching a lot of Brad Mondo lately. I've been watching a lot of bleach disasters, and I've watched some success stories as well. This is going to be a success story, okay? I'm putting it out there to your universe. So yeah, I watched Brad Mondo's how to bleach your hair at home tutorial, and I took a lot of good tips from it, and they are the steps that I'm going to be using today. So like he said, I'm going to make sure my hair is tangle free. So let's just give you a look as well at what I'm dealing with. So this, you can see I've got a band here, so this like an orange band that goes round the whole of my head. Yeah, so here is the band, so it's like orangey, yellowy, purpley, and then you've got a big purple section here, and then it goes kind of just normal blonde at the end. So this is what I'm fixing. I'm not actually going to be going all the way to the end. I'm just going to be doing that middle section all the way through. My hair is really greasy at the moment, because apparently that is better to have it really greasy. It helps just protect it a little bit more. Now I've got to mix the concoction up. I don't know, because it's all in a different language, but it says 1 to 1.5, so one bit of this to 1.5 of that. I am actually going to part my hair first. I'm not making that mistake again. When I did it last time, I did the mixture first, and then while I was parting my hair it started frothing up, and apparently it's less effective if you leave it there for too long. So I'm going to part my hair like Brad Mondo taught me, in 4 sections. I'm going to do 2 parts the front of my head. I'm going to use this little device. Actually no, I need to do this one first. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go down my middle part in first. So I've done the back, and then I'm going to do the side. So I want it just behind my ear. Look at me talking like I actually know what I'm doing. I have no idea. I have no idea. Talk. Can do this. You can do this. I do it in separate sections from these as well. I'm gonna like go section that off, and then so I'll do the back first, sectioning them off, and then I'll come to the front. so nervous. Right, I'm gonna put this little cape on. Time for the gloves. Gloves on. Gotta mix it up. Okay, mix it up. We can do this, just mix it up. That looks perfect. So I'm going to start with this back section here. You can see just how horrific my hair is when it's like this. Horrific. Yeah, so I'm going to start with this back section and I'm going to put it into like little sections. I'm going to have to look in the mirror because I can't have anything distract me. Don't try and distract me. So I've done the back bits. I'm not hopeful it's going to go well, if I'm honest. Already feel like it looks really patchy. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do the front bits now. Just fingers crossed it's going to be okay, I've got it all on my head. Oh, I feel like there's still patches and I just can't get to them, but I'm going to hope for the best. And I'm going to put the bag on my head now. I'm going to use spray inside because I need it to be moist. I need a moist head. And then I'm going to wash it off. If it still looks like it's going to be patchy, I might give it a little bleach bath. So shampoo, peroxide and bleach. And then shampoo it like that. Oh, I don't know if that's going to help, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to spray this, put it on my head, so make it all nice and wet and moist inside for my head. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm literally just going to leave that for like 20 minutes because it's already been on for quite a while, and then I will come back when I've washed it off. So this is it after the bleach. Yeah, so it is yellow, but that's fine. Apparently it's supposed to be yellow because now I'm going to tone it. It is still a bit patchy though, that's the only thing. I just feel like my hair will forever be patchy. There's nothing that I can do about it. I mean, I could go to a professional, that probably would help. But yeah, so I'm going to put the toner on there. So it's the next day after toning my hair. I just don't know if I even want to talk about it. So stressful. So I'm just going to show you it quickly of what it looks like. So it's not a terrible colour, like it doesn't look terrible, it's just still not how I wanted it. Like it's still quite yellow in places, and just a bit patchy, like especially at the back, if you can see. Like look, it's still patchy. I slept with it in a plait, so that's why it's all a bit crazy. But yeah, it's just not exactly how I want it still. So I have a plan and you're gonna think I'm crazy, but I think I'm just gonna go for it anyway. My plan is I'm gonna go to Superdrug and I'm gonna buy an ash blonde box dye. That's not it. Yeah, and I'm gonna dye an ash blonde, so I know it's gonna be darker, but I need it to be darker because at the minute I'm a light bulb, and it's still like patchy. So I think if I do it an ash blonde, that's gonna be darker, so it should even it all out, and it should all be just one ash colour, please. Then after, when I can go to a salon, I'm just gonna get them to cut my hair off.
because I'm just sick of it. So I am going to do that today, and then I think I'm going to do that in a separate video. So this will be my bleaching video, and then I will put my dyeing bleach to ash blonde video up as soon as possible after. I guess this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if it was a complete disaster, but it definitely wasn't what I wanted. It's not that bad of a colour in places, it's just the fact that it's not even that really irritates me. I need even hair because I wear my hair down all the time. I hate wearing my hair up because it gives me a headache, so I need it to be even. Yeah, fingers crossed for me for the next video. Please go well.
To be continued.
That's it, to be continued.
Yeah.